Hoover course. A challenging one to set up, but a fun one to race. We're coming out of the bike link bend from the tennis court parking lot out onto the road. Last year we went left. This year we're going right. This is a convenient little ramp to get up and down the grass. We're already on some awesome trails. Watch out for the monkey bars. Whoop. Down, down we go. Woo! New little connector trail. Onto the fresh paved HE double hockey sticks hill. Woo! Definitely pedalable, but it's a big one. It's a big hill. Shout out to Signature Homes. New turn here. Woo! That's a jump if you want. Back into a construction zone. Down a little hill right here. Onto the single track. Such a good trail. Flowy. And when you're done with the single track, pop back out into the construction area again. Similar to last year. Get on a service road right here, follow the arrows, and we start the long climb back. Huge shout out to Signature Homes. This is seriously gonna be a great community to live in if you want the outdoor active lifestyle. And when you're done with the climb, come again and get one more lap right here down the grassy hill. Once you've done your fourth lap, the 11:30 a.m. race, 4 laps, will total about. We're coming back like we did last year.